Welcome to the Traders Expo 2017 here in New York City. I'm Matt McCall coming to you live with Jim Iuorio. He is a contributor to CNBC. Thank you so much for joining me, Jim.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk a little bit about the commodities market. At the Traders Expo, the MoneyShow, all these events they put on, one of the biggest crowds is always at the gold booth or the speech about gold. People love it and hate it. I don't know, they go back and forth. What is your view on gold and precious metals right now?
I like trading gold. And I think gold right now, my own personal opinion on it, I'm long it, and I believe it could trade up to about 1,300 right now. I think that that the dollar rally, which is part of this, seems to be a little rangy, 99 to 104. So I like gold. I am long it. I think it's a good trade right now. Yeah.
Silver, same thing, just when you look at the precious metals?
Well, silver, remember, is a hybrid between the precious part of it and the industrial component of it. And I know the industrial component of it is small, and they usually track each other. So to me, when I'm trading precious, I like to trade gold. Okay. If I'm trading industrial, I'd rather trade copper or something like that. Because silver sometimes has that personality trait where you don't know which camp it's going to be in.
Yeah, sometimes it's just its own little world. It moves out there.
Sometimes what we've seen before is sometimes gold leads a move, and if you see the divergence get big, sometimes it seems like silver catches up awful quick. That's when I think the opportunities come in. So put in an option play in silver in anticipation of a quick catch up.
Okay, so sticking with commodities, how about the oil markets right now? Kind of range bound as well. How do you feel about oil?
Well, what's more fascinating now than the oil market? It's just we have the OPEC promise cuts. Yeah. We always know that they usually cheat on these, but now there's the wild card with the big Aramco IPO. So Saudi Arabia has this huge motivation to not cheat right now. So it's kind of a really unique situation where they're going with production cuts, and each week we see the rig counts in this country going up and up and up. Yeah. More coming back online at the high price. So I'm loving that push and pull that's happening right now.
So do you think it stays within the range that it's been in, or you see it break?
I have the upside of my range is about 59 or 60. Okay. So yeah, I don't think it'll go beyond that because I think then Saudi Arabia would get a little nervous. But yeah.
Do you think at that point you should see the rigs keep coming on so much that it pushes the price back down, and kind of vice versa? We kind of just be.
That's what happens in the past, particularly when OPEC agrees to these production cuts, and then they see the non-OPEC members, the people didn't agree, i.e. the U.S. right now, all of a sudden ramping up production. Then you get sick of it. Like we agreed on this, but we didn't count on them getting market share, being us. So then they come back in, and all of a sudden they start cheating, producing more, and we pound the price again.
So it's this big cycle.
There's no question. It's always been something that fascinates me because it's somewhat cartel controlled, obviously, and supply and demand plays a real part of it too, but not as much as in other commodities.
Okay. Do you see anything that could ripple the market, the oil market, in the months or year ahead?
No, I don't see any big things on the horizon. I just think when we start hearing that rigs are going way up, and then all of a sudden we hear that they're not adhering to the production cut promises, that we could, drop the bottom out of them a little bit.
Any other commodities that you're watching before we wrap up?
Oh no, gold and silver mostly there. Yeah.
All right, and you sound pretty bullish on both of them, really, for the most part.
I think I am. When we're in a world where central banks are still throwing money at things, a lot of things can go up together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I like this. We're starting out with you're bullish on the market, you're bullish on commodities. You're making my portfolio feel really good right now.
Appreciate that.
I really appreciate it.
Good.
Jim Iuorio, contributor to CNBC, coming to you live from the Traders Expo here in New York City.